In the realm of life's endeavors, it's not uncommon to find oneself perplexed by the disparity between effort and outcome. The frustration of labor seemingly unrewarded can be disheartening, but within the rich tapestry of Islamic teachings lie profound insights that beckon us to look beyond mere results and delve into the essence of our actions and intentions. Today we embark on a journey to explore these illuminating lessons, which offer a new perspective on success and fulfillment. Lesson 1. The power of intention. At the heart of Islamic philosophy resides the profound principle of intention. As articulated by Umar ibn Khattab, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once conveyed, "Actions are but by intention." Bukhari. This timeless wisdom underscores the primacy of intention over outcomes. It directs us to peer beyond the veneer of tangible achievements and focus on the purity and sincerity of our intentions. In the eyes of Allah, our motivations hold greater significance than the fruits of our labor. Hence, let us cultivate intentions aligned with righteousness and sincerity, for therein lies the true essence of our actions. Lesson 2. Patience and perseverance. In the intricate weave of existence, patience and perseverance are threads that lend strength and beauty to life's tapestry. Rooted in Islamic teachings, these virtues offer solace and guidance amidst life's trials. The Quran implores believers to seek solace through patience and prayer, reaffirming Allah's presence with the steadfast Quran. Patience in the Islamic context transcends passive endurance. It embodies resilience and unwavering faith in Allah's divine plan. Thus, let us persist in our endeavors, undeterred by immediate outcomes. For true success lies not solely in destinations, but in the transformative journey. Lesson 3. The pursuit of knowledge. Within the vast expanse of Islamic teachings, the pursuit of knowledge shines as a guiding star for truth seekers. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, declared, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." Ibn Majah. This injunction elevates learning to a sacred duty incumbent upon all believers. The pursuit of knowledge in Islam encompasses both religious and worldly domains, fostering holistic growth and enlightenment. It beckons us to embrace curiosity, critical inquiry, and lifelong learning as pathways to personal and spiritual enrichment. Let us heed this call to knowledge, recognizing that enlightenment is not a solitary pursuit, but a collective endeavor that fosters unity and mutual upliftment. Lesson 4. Trust in Allah's plan. Life's journey is replete with unforeseen twists and turns, challenging our best laid plans. Yet, Islamic teachings offer a beacon of hope amidst uncertainty. The Quran reminds us, perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not. Quran. This profound verse underscores the necessity of entrusting our affairs to Allah's wisdom. Trust in Allah's plan entails surrendering to the divine will, embracing uncertainty with faith and fortitude. Let us relinquish our attachment to specific outcomes, knowing that Allah's plan surpasses our limited understanding, and His wisdom guides our paths. Lesson 5. Humility and success. In the pursuit of success, humility emerges as a cherished virtue in Islamic teachings. The Quran admonishes against arrogance, enjoining believers to walk the earth with humility. Quran. Humility transcends mere modesty. It is a profound acknowledgement of our dependence on Allah's grace and the contributions of others. Let us humbly recognize the blessings bestowed upon us, refraining from arrogance or self-aggrandizement. Our achievements are but a reflection of Allah's benevolence, warranting gratitude and humility in success. Lesson 6. Generosity and kindness. Generosity and kindness adorn the fabric of Islamic ethics, exemplifying the noblest traits of character. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, extolled the virtues of benevolence, declaring, "The best among you are those who bring the greatest benefits to many others." Hadith Tabarani. Generosity transcends material giving. It encompasses the sharing of time, knowledge, and compassion with others. Kindness likewise reflects empathy and compassion toward all beings. Let us embody these virtues in our daily lives, fostering a culture of generosity, compassion, and social responsibility. Lesson 7. The value of good deeds. In the garden of Islamic teachings, the blossoms of good deeds radiate with divine favor. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, urged believers not to belittle any act of goodness, emphasizing its intrinsic value. Muslim. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, holds significance in the eyes of Allah. Let us cherish and nurture these seeds of goodness, for they bloom into a bountiful garden of blessings in the hereafter. In conclusion, Islamic teachings offer profound insights that transcend the mere pursuit of worldly success. They guide us to infuse intention, patience, knowledge, trust, humility, generosity, and kindness into our actions, thereby enriching our journey through life. Let us embody these teachings, not merely in words, but in deeds, forging a path of righteousness and compassion for the betterment of ourselves and humanity.